Okay, so if you have this type of IQ test, the first thing you are going to do is to change 4 to base 2. And if you change 4 raised to power x to base 2, you are going to have 2 raised to power 2x. Okay, so you have minus 5 bracket 2 raised to power x plus 4 equal to 0. You can interchange this 2 raised to 2, that is power 2x to 2 raised to power x bracket 2, and that will give you 2 raised to power x bracket 2 minus 5 bracket 2 raised to power x plus 4 equal to 0. So in this case, you are saying that there is 2 raised to power x and 2 raised to power x. You can change them to y. So that will give us 2 raised to power x equal to y. You can say let 2 raised to power x be y. So anyway, you see 2 raised to power x, you put y. And if you fix it here, you are going to get y squared. Okay, here is now y, so y squared. The sense is applicable here. If this is y, minus 5 times y will give you minus 5y. So we have y raised to power 2 minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. So he has given us quadratic equation. What you do here is to factorize. This type of quadratic equation is factorizable. So you factorize, if you factorize here, you are going to have y raised to power 2 or y squared minus 4y minus y plus 4 equal to 0. So we have y bracket y minus 4, and what they have in common here is minus 1. So minus 1 bracket y minus 4 equal to 0. So we have y minus 1, the one outside, bracket y minus 4. Okay, and that's equal to 0. Okay, so in that case, if you do y minus 1 equals to 0, y will be equal to 1. So we have y equal to 1 or y equal to 4. Minus 4 crosses to the other side, it becomes positive. But remember, we are not looking for y, we are looking for x raised, we are looking for x actually, but we replaced 2 raised power x by y, so we are going to return it. So permit me to clean up here so that we can do it here. So since 2 raised to power x is equal to y and y is equal to, so when y is equal to 1, we have 2 raised to power x to be equal to 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1, so we can change 1 to base 2 and raise it to 0 since it's still 1. So we have 2 raised to power x to be equal to 2 raised to power 0. Here cancel here and x is equal to 0. When y is equal to 4, we have 2 raised to power x to be equal to 4. Okay, we still change 4 to base 2 so that it will be on the same base, or in the same base, 2 raised to power 2. Then here cancel here, we have x to be equal to 2. So this implies that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. That is our final answer. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also solve your own and show me the answer. If possible, tell me how many minutes it will take you to solve this. Bye. This is Tonia'sTalk.